I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Leonard in Angry Birds 2. Leonard is a very unique bird, or rather, a pig, with a powerful snot attack. His special ability lets you launch a sticky projectile that can cause significant damage. Understanding how to aim and deploy his snot is key to clearing challenging levels and maximizing your score. Let's dive into his mechanics. To activate Leonard's special ability, first launch him from the slingshot. While he is in the air, simply tap the screen a second time. This will cause him to launch a sticky snot projectile. This snot travels in an arc and will adhere to the very first object it makes contact with, creating a damaging impact. Leonard's snot is incredibly versatile for strategic play. A great tactic is to aim for TNT boxes or other explosive items to trigger massive chain reactions. You can also use his snot to precisely dislodge crucial support beams or precarious structures, causing entire sections to collapse. Don't forget to target small gaps to reach those hard-to-get pigs. For advanced play, practice is essential to master the timing of Leonard's second tap, ensuring optimal trajectory for his snot. Always take a moment to observe the entire level layout, identifying key targets and potential weak points before launching. Combining Leonard's precise attack with the abilities of other birds can lead to truly spectacular and high-scoring destruction.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.